My brain is not my friend at the minute because I've been like, let's do a video. We need to record a video. Come on, let's record a video. We have time to record a video. And my brain's like, but I don't want to. Can we just focus? Just for a little while. Just focus. Do something. Just do something. We're here and we're doing this. Let's go. Hello. This is Commitment Issues. My name is Jo, and on this channel we do, well, a lot of like makeup and hair stuff. That's kind of my thing at the moment. So if you enjoy that, give this video a like and maybe subscribe too. Today I'm just trying to do some makeup. I've been having this idea in my head for like a steampunk look. Might not end up doing that today because can't really be bothered. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of things, really. Let's first and foremost put some primer on because I do actually want to do a full face today. So we're going to shove some e.l.f. Power Grip Primer on. It's kind of running down my hand. I love this stuff because it's kind of tacky and I feel like that's what you need in a primer. If you are new and you're expecting like cohesive tutorials and actual makeup advice, it's probably not the place for you. Here I just do what I feel like doing, basically. Sometimes I'll do very extravagant makeup stuff. Haven't done that in a while. Do want to get back into it. And then other days I might just do like some regular everyday kind of thing, but usually it's quite alternative though. This is e.l.f. Shadow Lock Eyelid Primer. There you go. Because I will be putting shit on my eyelids. So, how are you today? Let me know in the comments below if you so wish to. Don't know why I started talking like that. I hope you're doing well. I'm just putting some powder on. This is Revolution's pressed powder in vanilla because I'm pasty. So I still live at home, right? Don't judge me, okay? Or anyone for that matter. If you're an adult and still living at home in this economy, thank you very much. But I still live at home and they're annoying today. They're annoying most days, my family, but they're annoying. Because yesterday they were like, oh, we'll go out, and I'm like, well, I'm probably not going to because money, and also I wanted to do this and I need to be home because I'm seeing my partner tonight, so you know, just no. And now they're like, but we're going out now. I'm like, nearly 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So even if I wanted to go out like earlier today, I still wouldn't be going because I'm not going out stupid o'clock, because I don't like going out later in the day because I just feel like you're wasting your day. You're always rushing. They can start off and they never plan anything, so it just irritates me. I also have ADHD, so you know, you need to be telling me stuff in advance or I'm just gonna not want to do it. I'm not gonna be able to just be like, okay, let's go. No, I need some kind of structure and a plan. Don't need like a plan for when we're outside. I just need a plan for when I'm actually going out, and it helps with the anxiety as well. This lot though don't help with that at all, and now I'm talking like I'm a robot. Now we're going to use some e.l.f. Camo Hydrating CC Cream, full coverage, long lasting, dewy finish. It's basically foundation. I'm sorry. I wanted to say the chaoticness. That's not a word. It's just chaos. The chaos most definitely continues here on Commitment Issues. I have an idea for my eyes because, you know, I don't kind of feel like doing the whole like steampunk thing that I was going to do. That's probably going to be for another video now. But I do want to do that kind of colour palette and kind of look. Aesthetic, I should say. So that's what we're gonna do today. That rhymed. I got something on my nose. Got a hair. I like Voldemort. The boy who lived has come to die. I'm fine. This is just normal everyday me, you know, just deal with it. If you're here and you want to deal with it, then that's what you signed up for. I am in some kind of mood today. It's been some time since I've done like a full face of makeup, and I don't recognise myself. It's weird. It's weird. I do recognise myself, but you know when you just haven't worn makeup for a long time and you're like, that's how I look. Okay. I'm just trying to work stuff out, but I'm gonna just do some contour. So I haven't done this for a while either. This is She Glam Golden Sun Liquid Contour. I have not done this for some time. I still don't know how to contour my nose, honest to God. Like, I don't think I'm ever gonna know. Okay, let's put a wee bit of concealer on. That's not really a wee bit, is it? No. Oh no. Oh no. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore, please. It's been a while since I've done all this and I've just kind of completely forgot how to even do makeup. It looks like it's going to piss it down out there. Lovely. By the way, this is Makeup Revolution IRL Filter Finish Contour in CO1. I'm pretty sure that's the lightest one they have. Now I got some bronzer. This is number 7 Maple. Just their powder bronzer, kind of drop tip. Got something in mind. I have kind of, like I said, an idea, a vision, but it's a little blurry. Put a wee bit on my nose. I got this Revolution Ultimate Pigment Base eyeshadow primer in yellow, cause I'm going to be doing like a gold kind of excuse me, eyeshadow look. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we want a yellow primer. I always put way too much of this stuff on there. Literally just need like that. Like, watch how far this goes. It's mental. See, gonna put a bit of black pencil just on the top waterline, like so. This is from number 7 Stay Perfect Amazing Eye Pencil in black. Kinda don't want it on the bottom as much, but I just kind of smudged it, but that's gonna look fine. May have messed up a bit, but it's fine. Because now we're gonna use Made by Mitchell Gel Glazed Creamy Eyeshadow Light It Up. This was in my Made by Mitchell video when I got a mystery bag, and I love this stuff. And also you can just do it with your finger. Yeah, I want to do like a gold bronzy kind of thing, and this is just the base. Now I'm going to use the Revolution's School of for Good and Evil Never Spellbook palettes, because they're very, very like steampunky colours. So I'm going to use Passion, which is like a gold colour first. In the inner corner. I'm going to do like a gradient effect, so now I'm going to do, what's this called? Unfavourable. Which is more of a orangey gold, I guess. I'll do that just a bit more in the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take Dainty, which is like a shimmery dark brown, and we're doing that in the outer corner. And we just need to blend all that out. Once it's on there, then I'm going to take it up into the crease a little bit, give a bit of a smoky eye effect. I think I need a bit more. Okay, now I'm going to take some Charming, which is just like a a brown, and I'm gonna do that along my bottom lash line. And I've got this eyeliner pencil, which is Revolution's Wizard of Oz Gold, and I'm gonna put this on my bottom waterline. Now the fun bit, eyeliner. So Elf Expert Liquid Eyeliner. Ta-da. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's the thing. Let's have a think. Maybe just a little flick. I got stuff all over my hands. I always end up getting messy somehow. And last but not least, mascara. This is Revolution, again, Grease, you know, the musical. Tell me about it, stud. Mascara. I love the names of some of this stuff. Final touch, some highlighter. Ba, 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 ba. If you know where that's from, you gotta tell me in the comments below. Oh, by the way, this is Heartbreakers. Once again, from Makeup Revolution. Divine highlighter. Some of this stuff may not be available anymore, but there'll be similar things out there if you want to potentially recreate this look. I think I'm done. Oh no, setting spray, not done yet. This is from Superdrug, so Studio London. You matter setting mist, and you do matter. You matter to me, and you matter to this community. That rhymes again. How much are you supposed to put on? Probably Say's done it on like this. Hold 8 to 10 inches from face and mist evenly. You don't actually say. Alright, fine. And then you get a fan that you got from a charity shop for a few quid and do this. Always forgetting something. Lips. I never do lips. If you've seen my recent video with the lipsticks, I could use one of those, but I don't want to. I never really use anything on my lips. But this is Elf Lip Oil. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in Red Delicious. So to be fair, this is going to help my lips because they're quite dry right now, and I'm pretty sure I cut it. That's not a coleslaw, that's a cut. And voila, we are done. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this makeup look? And yes, I do want to do like a proper steampunky look because I think it's cool. And like I said, I want to start getting into the more like extravagant looks and feel like I am in the capital from Hunger Games. Nah, I'd end up being like District 12. Yeah. I would not be in a wealthy district. Just letting you know now. Yeah, anyway, gonna go. Thanks for watching. If you liked this, please give it a little thumbs up. It really does help out the channel and literally takes less than a second just to click it. And if you would like to see more of me and my makeup, then please subscribe. I am really trying to get videos out at least once a week. Sometimes even more than that. It's amazing. And if you're here and if I have more subscribers, then I will feel more obliged to get my shit done. So you're actually helping me out quite a lot there. Obviously don't subscribe. Don't subscribe if you don't like me. It's fine. You can just move along. It's okay. Thank you for watching. I really do hope that you are all well and you're having a great day, whatever time it is, whenever you see this. Take care of yourselves and be kind to yourselves and one another.